Hi, Roberto Sanchez here with the Sanchez Realty Group at United Real Estate. In this occasion, I'm going to talk to you about what is the most critical factor when it comes to getting a mortgage and getting it at the lowest possible interest rate. Which basically tells the lender that you're a dependable, trustworthy person that is less of a risk, and therefore they can give you the money to buy the home. According to the Federal Trade Commission, they did a study and they found that 1 in 5 consumers have some kind of errors in their credit report. Therefore, taking the time to contact the credit agencies and have them correct those errors can improve dramatically your credit score. Now, understanding your credit score is not made as easy by the credit reporting agencies, but there are certain key factors that you can consider when it comes to trying to keep your credit at bay and improving it. Some of them are between 35 to 40% is your payment history. So therefore, paying your credit and paying your bills on time is very important. 20 to 25% is the amount of credit that you owe to your creditors. So that's why you should keep that at bay also. Now, there are other factors to consider when it comes to credit. It's like the length of your credit history, the mix of credit that you have, meaning consumer credit, mortgage, credit cards, car loans, and stuff like that. Okay, then there's also the number of credit accounts. The less, the better. Those that you already have or those that you have opened recently. Now, when it comes to the keeping your credit score, there are certain things that you should do and certain things that you shouldn't do. Now, the things that you should do, obviously, is pay your bills on time, all the time. Now, continue spending as normal. And talk to your lender if you're taking a mortgage, if you're going to do or you're going to make any financial decision that might impact that negatively. Now, the things that you shouldn't do is basically change jobs. Okay, again, take any financial decision that might be detrimental to your credit score and to your credit history, and applying for new credit, okay, or serving as a cosigner on a loan for a relative or a friend. That's a no-no. And make any big purchases. Also, be aware that canceling or closing credit accounts might have also a detrimental account on your credit. Please do not do that. I hope that this has been helpful. If you need any assistance or need me to put you in the right direction with a professional that can assist, feel free to DM, text or call me or email me. And by the way, if you like this content, feel free to subscribe and please give us a like. Thank you, appreciate it.